Past life regression is not about proving anything or recreating literal history. It's about emotional truth. It's about healing. You don't have to believe in past lives for this work to be effective. As therapists, we use the term past life as a way of describing an experience that does not belong in this lifetime, but it can also be understood as ancestral memory, inherited emotional patterns, or imprints carried through the body. Whether someone believes in past lives or not has no impact on the healing. If the subconscious brings forward an experience that is clearly not from this lifetime, but the body and mind are holding an emotional charge from it, then it's relevant and needs processing. Whether it's interpreted as a past life, ancestral DNA, or symbolic memory, it doesn't really matter. What matters is that once it's processed, healing occurs. And that healing leads to a positive, empowered shift for the person.